Hello friends, welcome. We'll try to learn how to create a pie chart by using PHP GD library and display it in a browser. So this image subsequently we can embed it within a PDF file or the data we can take it from database and all. So we'll learn this subsequently. So first let's learn the how to basic GD library uses and to generate a pie chart within the web page. So before we move, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are adding tutorial, and we are frequently adding these tutorials also. Let's learn the script. I am in my Visual Studio Code. You can use any editor for that, and I'll just start with by declaring that this is a image I am sending to the browser. So what I will say, I'll declare the header. So I'm inside PHP code now. So what I am saying is content type. So telling the browser that treat this as a image, not as a web HTML image JPG. So now browser is aware how to handle this. Fine, this is the my first. Then let me just give width. This is the width of my you can say that entire the canvas, whatever over that I will be posting the pie chart. So width is, let's say, 300. I'm centrally declaring, so you can increase or decrease this. Now height is also 300. So it's a square box, you can just take it. So now next I will say image. I'll create the image now. Image equal to now image create. Now I am creating image using this width and height. I am giving this default value width. Now I am saying, so fine, now my image is created. To this image I will alert some colors to this. So I will define the colors now. Let me just give that say white color I am giving it here. Image now color allocate. Now this color allocate I am giving now, again declaring image. Now within, because this is my image at line number 4, whatever I declared, now it's a white color. So 255 RGB 255. So 3 colors. So I am declaring it as white. Below that I will, for the pie chart I need different segments and different colors. So I will declare some color arrays. I will keep it in red, blue, green, whatever color you can subsequently change. There also I will image color allocate I will use and give the color definition. For that I am just creating a one array colors. Now here equal to fine. Now inside this I am giving image color allocate. Now what I am giving first, my image. So now RGB. So 255, 0, 0. So now this is one color I have declared it. This I am giving as red. A comment I am saying for our easy understanding. Now let me just copy this instead of writing it again and again. V1V. Fine. So here I will just change it. So next is I am going for green, red G. So this I will make it 0, then 255 0. So this became green for me. Now let me come back here. Now for blue 0, initially 0 0. So 0 comma 0 comma. Now I will remove this. Now for yellow 255 255. So 255, this I will make it 255. Now this is 0. So this is blue in this case. Now I will say yellow. Fine, these are the colors array I have created. This color array I will allocate to each segment of my pie chart. So different segments will be there. So there I will use it. So fine. Now let's take the sample data. So data equal to, anyway entire source code you can download. That time you will get all the comments, so you can easily understand what is for what. I am not writing the comments right now. I am just giving some 4 segments, you can say 10 comma for again 10. I will change this and see how it is. 25. Now this again 25. 4 because 4 colors also we have taken. Now what I am going is I am finding out the total of all the values. What is the seg totals, all my pie chart value. So I am giving my sum. My sum is the variable. Now here array sum I am using, and inside that I am putting the data. So this will give me this will store the sum of these rows. This is 10, 10, 20 to 50, 60, 70. So this will be having the, in this particular case, so it is just sums of all the elements and gives me the my sum here. Till this point I can save my code, and let's go and see whether any error is there. I am in my local host now. So let me, okay, there is a mistake here, line number 12. Let me just come here. Okay, here I missed the semicolon. Fine, let me just save it again, go here, run it. So okay, blank, because I am not given any output, so I don't expect anything. So till up to this point it is fine. Now let me move up a bit. Okay, now let's just declare a stat angle, because when it's a pie chart, segments one after the other will come. So one stat angle and end angle we have to specify. How you will calculate that? Let's initially first angle equal to 0. So this stat angle is 0. Now where the center point of our chart will be. So for that, two center points will take. So center x, this is the variable only I am declaring. What I am going to do is width, because it is x direction, width by 2. So I got the center point in x axis. Similarly, center in y axis, you can give any variable name. So for that, what I am doing, height, this is, I have declared at the top as 300. So that half I am taking. So 150. Now one more thing is radius. Radius equal to, let's say, 100. Now this radius of pie chart, now this will use it differently. We'll see that. Now let's create the chart. So for that, let me just move up. These are the settings. So data is there, these 4 segments, our pie chart. So each one proportionate to its own value it will take. Then we have summed it. Why we have summed it? We'll see that. Stat angle, then center position of the pie chart. Radius is 100. Now this should be less than our total width. We'll see that. Now for each, inside the bracket we'll say data. Data is, sorry, here it is at the top. Let me just see, here it is, that line number 12 we have declared our data. For data, so as, now again, now we'll say for each data as $index, sorry, as, these are the variables, we will take it. Index is the first, is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that we will be using it. So index, now then we'll take it the value. So here it is, the once inside the loop, it will take 0, then it will take value. So index will have the 0, then the value will be 10, then 1 value will be 10, then 2 value will be 25, 3 value will be 25 again, because this will loop through one of this element of this and gives an index to it. So that is what we will be using it. Now let's first start with our end angle. Now we will declare end angle equal to, now what we are going to do is initially start angle plus, now we'll say start angle we have adding to it. Now you just see the calculation here. Now we'll say value multiplied by 360 divided by my sum. Why I am doing this? My sum. Okay, let me complete this. Okay, now you can see my sum is the sum of this. Sum of this is equal to 360 degree. The full circle is represents 360 degree. So in the pie chart, so total sum should represent there. So each value, each unit of value should contain some angle. So this is totally, suppose 20, 20, 50. So 70. So 70 should correspond to 360. So what should be one unit of it? So for that we are dividing first 360 by my sum, then multiplying it by value. So proportionately, first element will take the angles based on this, and that I will set, based on that I am setting the end angle. And initially start angle is 0. So for the first element, this will be 10 multiplied by 360 divided by sum. 360 by sum is, here it is 50, 70, it is 7, 360 by 70 multiplied by 10. That is the angle or coordinate or the arc angle for that first segment. I hope this is clear. This is the key of it. Next is nothing. It is just image now filled arc. So image filled arc, I am just giving this this arc, this I am GD library, this function I am using it. Now here image what I have created at the top, here it is at line number 4. You can see that image I am using, that image I am adding it. So what I am going to first center X, then center Y. So I told what is the center position of this to center X, center Y. Now giving a comma. Coming to the next line, I have to define a box within which this chart will be. So for that, X and Y coordinates I have to give it. So radius, radius multiplied by 2. So radius is half, multiplied by 2 means full. So box should contain, within that the pie chart is there. So it is a box entirely containing. So it should be radius multiplied by 2. Now similarly, again we have to do, because the box contains X and Y. So again radius multiplied by 2 again. So this is, I got it. Now what I am going, the first one I am giving a color value to it. So color value, you just see at the top we declared this color, line number 6, the array one by one will take. First one will take 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 means here what you do, will take the index value. So for that what I am doing, colors, inside that, see that the top is index is there. So fine. Now it will take, in first loop it will take 0 value. So first color will be taken, red will be taken. Next will be 1, next will be 2, next will be 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3 it will take the values for it. Now I am saying, declaring image. This is the style of it actually. I want it to be field or not field. These I am declaring. Image arc pi means this is you field arc. The other these values it can take it. The style value only, how the style of the arc will be, that you are defining here. This constant we are using it here. Now one more important here is, inside the loop what I am going to do is, I am increasing for the next segment. I am using this current end angle as the start angle for that, because one segment, the next segment will start from the where it ends. So for that I am using it start angle again, start angle equal to, now I am saying end angle. Okay, here I missed the, fine. So got it, end angle. Now this is up to this point. Now everything I have not so far drawn the, given the output to that. So now our pie chart is ready. Now let's give the output. So image png, let's create a png image. Now here I am inside the bracket, I am image, fine. Now let's clear the memory. So image destroy, image destroy. Now let's clear the image. Now clear the memory. So here the output will come. Now I am saying output, here I am clearing the memory. Anyway, whatever when you download the code entire, you will get the all the comments, so it will be easy for you to understand. I will show you how you can download it also. So now let me save this. Friends, got a error here, so it's not showing because let me come back here. Here I have to give start angle and end angle. So for that let me put first the start angle, then I will go end angle, comma. So this is fine. Now let me save it, come back to here, let's refresh this. Okay, this is, see the our thing. This is the this one is the first one, next 10, 10, 25, 25. 4 colors also it takes it. So this for all the 4 colors it puts it. Now let's to check it, let's just change the values here. So let's come back here, we'll go to the 10. Now we'll increase this second segment to 30. So let's 10, 30, 25. Automatically the proportionately this will take, because the sum will change, this value, this also will change. So the weightage of each segment also will change. So remember 10, 30, 25, 25. Now let us come here, let's refresh this. You can see 10, 25, 30, 30. So this is the way we can change it. Now you even dynamically it will take more values we can add, but note that you have to add more colors also. So accordingly we can extend it also, the values we can change. We need not be 10, 30, 25, you can increase it also. Visit this URL here, this is there in the description. You can get all the source code here right from the starting. The syntax is here. Note this style, this is where the constants will just shortly discuss. This is the different options for the style. So these values you can use it, this constants. Now you scroll down, you can try all these small scripts to get the different images and all using this particular field arc. Now you come back here, how to create a pie chart GD library using here. This is the entire source code what you have discussed. Now you can add this particular code, you can copy it. This is a small code, you can copy it. But now let's take the different styles from here, and one style will take it. Subsequently you can copy and use that. Now arc by arc chord, so you can, I'm just copying this from here, coming here, pasting it here. Now saving and going again to the my browser here and refreshing it. Fine, you can get it the different way it is. So like that you will get different charts, and you can download the entire source code. That's all friends, hope you have a good learning experience, and if you have any idea, doubt, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.